Yeah, hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to remove the SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy XCover4. So what we have to do, at first we have to remove the back cover. So turn your phone and then you see on the back a small notch in here and enter with your fingernail and remove the cover carefully. So now you have the micro SD card here and the SIM card is below. So remove at first the battery. So, and then now you're able to remove the SIM card. Just hold the SIM card a bit and then it comes out one more time. So press a bit on the SIM card. So, and then you can remove it with your finger like this. It's very easy, and after you are able to insert another SIM or whatever. Yeah. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and maybe if you want you can give me some thumbs up or leave me a nice comment as you want, and I'm so thankful for that, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.